Well, Dwayne again, I'm here to give you another video update of where we are, status in the case. I know that you're probably getting tired of watching me on video, but there's more to come. It's real important that you focus in on these videos because from here forward on your case, there's going to be some very specific types of information that you need in order to help us have a positive outcome in your case. This is just a general warning. I want everybody to understand that as things change in their financial life, or their personal life, as a case progresses, it can have very significant changes in whether or not we're able to get the relief that we were looking for. So if something changes, if you get a pay increase, if you're involved in an auto accident, if somebody passes away and leaves you an asset, you need to get in touch with our office immediately. You have a paralegal that's been assigned to your case. It's not the same paralegal that was assigned to your case for preparation of your case, but it's your case management paralegal. And that paralegal is the one you need to contact because if it's a procedural issue, they'll take care of it. If it's a legal issue, they get the file ready for me. They get us together so we can talk about your case. It's very important that you don't acquire significant assets or you don't get a job pay increase or a bonus or a significant legal right or remedy addressed without us being involved. We have had times where clients have decided, thank goodness we've got the case filed, things are going well, creditors aren't overbearing at this point. Let's make a change. Why don't we hire a real estate agent to sell our house? And the fact of the matter is you're engaging in a contract that you don't understand the consequences for because this isn't the world that you live in. Truth of the matter is, when we filed your case, everything you own became property of the bankruptcy estate like we discussed at the initial interview. Well, for you, that means you don't have the right to sell the house that you're living in because it's property of a bankruptcy estate. It's usually wise for us to wait for the property to be revested back in the debtor or for an abandonment of that asset by the trustee or by the estate before you engage in a new contract with somebody like a real estate agent to sell the house. And that's just one example. I can't overemphasize if something changes, call us first. If you have to wonder whether or not we'd want to know, understand we'd rather be the filter to decide whether or not that was important or not. Don't engage in new transactions. Don't take a new job. Don't buy a new house. Don't contract with anybody for anything without contacting us first because it had some very real detrimental effects in having the case that we've promised you. We have a plan going forward at this point, and any of those things could change our plan. So bring us into the process of helping you decide what to do during the time that you're still involved in the bankruptcy. It's an honor and a privilege to represent you. We're still engaged. We're still interested in doing everything we can to have you get a true fresh start from your bankruptcy proceeding. And if you have any questions, we'll look forward to hearing from you.